I'm about to show you what actually happens when you put castor oil on your body before you go to sleep. People are claiming that for just a few dollars, you can get the deepest sleep of your life, get flawless skin, and even detox your entire body. I thought, no way. So I dug into the science, and what I found is actually insane. This stuff is making a massive comeback, but you need to know what's real and what's fake, because the only thing the FDA actually approves this for is as a laxative when you drink it, and we are not doing that today. The sleep and relaxation ritual. First up, can this oil really give you the best sleep of your life? Thousands of people swear that rubbing this on their stomach or feet at night makes them fall asleep instantly and stay asleep all night long. The idea is that just massaging it, it flips your body from stressed out mode to total relaxation mode. It's like a secret off switch for your brain. Some people even put a tiny drop on their eyelids, which sounds crazy. But, and this is a huge but, scientists have found zero proof the oil itself makes you sleepy. The calming effect is probably just the relaxing massage that's chilling you out, not some magic in the oil itself. The overnight skin enhancer. Okay, but what about making your skin look amazing overnight? This is where things get wild. Castor oil is packed with something called ricinoleic acid, and it's an absolute game changer for moisture. Putting this on your skin before bed is like giving it a superpowered shield that traps in all the moisture. People wake up with skin that is literally glowing. Now, does it erase wrinkles and boost collagen like some people claim? Not so fast. It can make your skin so hydrated that it plumps up and makes fine lines temporarily disappear. Think a raisin turning back into a grape. But there's no real proof it actually creates more collagen. One tiny study found a cream with castor oil helped wrinkles, but we need way more science. Still, as an overnight moisturizer, it's legit. If you're learning something insane right now, do me a favor and destroy that subscribe button. It literally takes 1 second, and you won't miss the next crazy thing we investigate. The detox and de-bloat story. This next one is the most famous and the most unbelievable. It's called a castor oil pack. You literally soak a cloth in warm castor oil, put it on your stomach, right over your liver, and go to sleep. People who do this believe it helps their body detox overnight. They say it fires up your body's internal cleaning crew and gets rid of all the junk. People wake up and say they feel zero bloat. It sounds incredible, right? The problem is there's basically no hard science to back this up. Scientists say your liver and kidneys are your body's real detox centers, and they work just fine on their own.
So this is something many people swear by, but the proof just isn't there.
A soothing balm for aches. But here is something castor oil is actually amazing for, crushing pain and aches. Remember that ricinoleic acid we talked about? Well, it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory. It's like a firefighter for angry, sore muscles and joints. The science on this is pretty solid. Studies show this acid can reduce inflammation and pain. Rubbing warm castor oil on a sore spot before bed can genuinely help reduce that pain. So if your muscles are screaming, this could be your secret weapon for relief.
Even though we need more giant studies on people, the science we have says this stuff really works.
So what's the final verdict on putting castor oil on your body before bed? It's a crazy mix of internet hype and real science. The whole sleep and detox thing seems to be more about the relaxing ritual than the oil itself. But as a super moisturizer and a pain fighter, this stuff is the real deal. For just a few bucks, you get a super skin hydrator and a powerful anti-inflammatory. Just do a small test on your skin first to make sure you don't have a reaction.
Now, I want to know what you think. Have you ever tried this? Tell me what happened in the comments below. I read every single one. Like and subscribe for more science-based videos.